Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. Unexpected video, man, but I'm glad I was able to catch this problem right now. Um, as you can see, man, I got the dummies out. We're taking out the inside of the Caprice. I want to put them back in my glass house. The reason why is I got my homie Will coming over today to drop off the new shirts that we did, and every time I take out my wheels, man, I like checking everything: upper control arm, lower control arm, bushings, everything on the car, man. And man, I'm glad I did it, man. Check this out. This is the problem today. You see that right there? Nothing over here. Damn it, boy. So, man, I get switch happy, to be honest with you. I'm pretty sure this happened last time I went out. Um, I'm glad nothing happened. I'm glad it didn't completely came off. As you can see, it was barely hanging. This is what it's supposed to look like right there. The reason why I always check this, man, on my upper and lowers is because this happened to me already in my glass house. And again, I'm glad it was at a parking lot. But this right here, man, this could have been bad. I live in Alvin, Texas. Every time I go to Houston, I get to take the highway, man. And if this would have happened, come off on the highway, it would have been bad, man, because I would not be able to control the car. A lot of if, man. You know, hit a car, I don't know. But I'm glad. I'm glad we're home. I'm glad we're here. Hopefully they got the part today. If they got the part, we're going to fix it. If not, I'm just going to change the wheels, put the car back inside, order the part, and just wait for it to come back. But again, man, some of the things, man, that happen, like I said, this happened to me before. I get switch happy. The same happened to me with the glass house. Um, with that being said, man, every time I go out, if I haven't moved the cars in the walls, I go check them and not tie them. So now he's gonna what we gotta do is order the whole shaft kit, because I'm pretty sure the treads are gonna be messed up. Otherwise, we'll just have to order the bushings for the upper. But now that we're here, man, might as well replace the bushings, replace everything. So hopefully they got the part today. If not, man, we're just gonna part the car like this, man, and just wait for the parts to come in. That is all, man.